I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen noodle soup chicken flavor in the microwave. Start with your ramen packet, a microwave-safe bowl, and 2 cups of water. First, open the ramen packet and take out the seasoning. Then, put the dry noodles into your bowl. This simple preparation sets you up for a quick and delicious meal. We're aiming for convenience and great taste, so let's get these noodles ready for their microwave journey. Now, pour 2 cups of cold water directly over the dry noodles in your bowl. Place the bowl into the microwave and cook on high for 3 minutes. This initial cooking phase is crucial for softening the noodles. After 3 minutes, carefully remove the bowl and give the noodles a gentle stir to ensure even cooking. It's time to add the delicious chicken seasoning. Open the packet and sprinkle it over your softened noodles and hot water. Stir everything together really well until the seasoning is completely dissolved and evenly distributed. Then, put the bowl back into the microwave for a final 2 minutes of cooking. This step brings out all the rich flavor. Your delicious microwave ramen is ready. Carefully take the hot bowl out of the microwave using oven mitts to protect your hands. Let it sit for about 1 minute to cool down just a bit. You can enjoy it as is, or add some extra flair with toppings like a soft-boiled egg, some chopped green onions, or a dash of sriracha for a little kick. Enjoy your quick and tasty meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.